guys, I'm Anitta and today I'm gonna show you guys my beauty secrets and show you how I do my own makeup for red carpets or sometimes for shows, concerts. And I say that when I want to feel like pretty as I am, which is like because I'm full of plastic surgeries, but I say that it's a natural beauty makeup. Okay, let's start. So first of all, I'm gonna wash my face with this. Okay, face is clean. So now I use this. I don't know the name. I don't know, even in Portuguese, I don't know how I call this thing, but whatever. I put it here. It's gonna help to leave my face a little bit more matte. To start with the foundation, I use different types of foundation. I don't know why I feel better if I mix a lot of stuff in my face. Yeah, it's a lot, but I just mix all of them in my face, straight on my face. I don't care. I always do my makeup for everything that I do. I'm kind of used to this. Sometimes, I'm going to some place and the flight's delay or something. So sometimes I need to do my makeup in a private jet, sometimes in the car, in the van. Yeah, I've done in crazy place. So I just mix it all. I watched no tutorials, I asked no one. I just started to try myself and go into the stores and ask, like, what do I do with this? What do I do with that? And so I started to learn. And when I made mistakes, like doing my makeup and looking at the pictures after and seeing that was terrible, then I started to learn how to do this and how can I not do the mistakes I was doing. Now the concealer. Yeah, it's a heart. So beautiful. It must be crazy that every woman does the makeup in a different way, right? Okay, so now I'm gonna do this with powder. So this one. So I start doing the white one, kind of white, lighter. I put here where I just put the concealer. I put the lighter one, the white one where I just put the concealer. I used to do in my beginning when I was learning, I used to do my eyes like really strong. I didn't know how to smoke my eyes, so it was really like with the brown ones. Another thing that I do is I do in my nose too. I use the same brown thing that I was using before for the rest of the face, and I just come here like designing my nose. Design is really good. Designing my nose. Now with my eyebrows. I like it lighter than my eyebrows really are, so. Now I just use like a powder. Everything that I do, I like to mix colors. I love a matte look. I don't like to look shiny. I don't know if it's because my skin is like really oil skin. In the end of the day, you think that I can make French fries in my face. So I love a matte face. In Brazil, I don't know if it's only in Brazil, but they love to have this place here really shine. So I do it too, and I do it with like a shine that it's not a glitter and has no color. It's just like it looks like white, but it's in the end when you mix, it gets the color that you have already. So you're gonna shine a little bit. Brazilians love makeup and they put a lot. It's not like, oh, just regular thing, no. Okay, this one, I really use this one, you see? So I use this one that is more like brown here. And don't worry, because in the end I'm gonna mix a little bit so it's not gonna be so strong. And then I put like pink one, but I use the same brush. So I put this pink here. Okay, now the skin is done. And I'm ready for the eyes. I start putting a brown that it's like, it's almost done. I gotta get a new one, like this both. I'm always mixing colors, so it's, I just don't get only one. I just use a little bit of this too. This is like the base of everything, you know, and from here we can do colorful things, like whatever kind of makeup you want to do. Again, same color. I'm gonna mix this shine thing, like it's basic, the color I'm putting here, but like it's gonna shine a little bit more. So I just get a little bit and I just put here. This shine is not so strong, so this way I like it. It's not, it looks natural. The same thing I do here, but not that much. Now I'm gonna give the color that we want, like a little bit of light pink, something natural, just to look like a princess. Now I'm gonna choose this one that is a little bit pink, and I'm gonna mix with this one on the top. I'm gonna use the stronger one to do the crease. And I like to have the same brush I used before. I smoke a little bit with my fingers. Same thing with the stronger one, I'm gonna do underneath my eyes, but then I put a little bit more stronger because I really like it. The same thing that I put here, I get this really, really, really thin, skinny brush, and I put here. I learned how to speak English. What helped me was movies, music. I always practice with this, so that's the real way I learned, with music and movies. I'm just taking out my shine because it kind of freaks me out when I see that I'm shining again. You see my skin is really oily. I just have the powder like I have my cell phone, you know? Every time I look at myself and I'm shining and I freak out. Okay, so now the eyelashes. I have this specifically eyelashes I like to have. Get the glue, I put in the eyelash. I just do it with my eyes open. It's easier. I do this without light. It's crazy. After some years, I mean, I do a lot of things in my life. I sing in English, I sing in Spanish, I sing in Portuguese, I do concerts in Brazil, I fly to Latin America countries, I go to Europe. I do so many things at the same time that I need to learn how to do all the things at the same time in the crazy situations. So my makeup sometimes I do in crazy situations. So I started, my life was pretty simple in my beginning. I used to live in a favela here in Brazil. You guys know what is a favela? It's like a slum, like the ghetto part of the country, of the city. And I used to sing in this favelas parties, like irregular parties. Let me concentrate a little bit here. I have here the makeup with one eyelash. What I like to do is to put two. I'm obsessed with eyelashes. Here in Brazil, if you don't have money, it's really hard for you to get education, like in the arts part, you know, music, language, movies. That's really hard. But then I realized there was this one song that I did that got huge in Brazil. I wrote this song, I did the music video, and the song talks about powerful women, and there's a lot of types of women in the video. I started to do lyrics about this with this ghetto sound, but with this powerful lyrics. And then this song got huge in all of the country. I was 21 in that time. So after 2 years or something like this, all my music, all the songs I was putting out was like number one. And everybody was singing, everybody was buying my clothes and doing my things. I was so happy. Now I'm gonna put the work on the lips. It's gonna be a fresh lips too, so I was like so happy about this. And the rhythm I do here in Brazil, it's called funk. It's like the hip hop in the United States in the 90s, because came from the ghetto and have all this prejudice and everything. And I was doing it for places that never heard before funk music. And I got really happy when I saw that the artists out of Brazil were knowing what is funk. You know, they were like, oh, I want to do a funk track. I love the sound. I love this, I love that. When I did the video in the favela, everybody was looking, and artists that I never thought that would be listening to my songs, to my music, they were talking to me about my music videos, and I was like, oh my god. I just put a liquid matte. So when I'm doing concerts, I always use matte lipstick because of my microphone, that I'm always singing and passing the microphone in my mouth, so I don't want to mess up the lipstick and my lips. So I use a matte one because it's just stay there stuck. But if no, like if it awards or something like this, a red carpet, so then I put the gloss part. One more round of powder because I'm shining again. And that's it. So this one is my look if I'm doing a red carpet or something during the day. So then I do my look like this. Then if I'm going to stage, when people are gonna see me from far away, then I like to have my eyes stronger to make people just really see me. So basically it's this, but then I'm gonna add some stuff a little bit more. Get a brown shadow. Don't pay attention to my makeup, it's so messed up. It's because I really use it, so don't pay attention. Okay, get this brown one, and I'm gonna put here in the crease. So now you can see my eyes are more like stronger, my look. Okay, now that I have it strong in my crease, I'm gonna put it stronger underneath my eyes. I think that there are different ways to be women, and there's no right way to be women, it's just the way you want to be. Okay, so now we have like stronger eyes. I'm gonna put a little bit more of mascara here under. I never put mascara in my eyelashes, just to have it stronger. So now the eyes are like, yeah, this one is eye pencil. Okay, so what I do, I never close my eyes to do this, and it's more simple than people used to do. Like, you're gonna keep following your eyes really soft. Yes, you see, it's easy. You can do it stronger if you want. If you want like more, You just keep following the line of your eyes. Okay, now the other side. If I want thicker, I just go adding and adding a little bit more of space while I'm following my eyes with this eyeliner. Okay, and that's a wrap. We had the light eyes and now the strong eyes. Okay, so now I'm ready to perform. I'm ready to do whatever I want to do. And you can be too. Thank you so much. I'm just gonna wash my hands a little bit. Bye. Thanks. Tchau. Beijo. Obrigada. Gracias. Foi um placer. Beijos. Mua.